Hey everyone, today I'm here with another recipe and that is smashed baby potato fry. So without wasting time, let's see how to make it. Here I have some baby potatoes. Take how much you need, wash them and boil with some salt. And then place boiled potatoes on a plate or a cutting board and smash them with the help of a glass. Next, heat a tawa, add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds, and some cumin seeds. Saute them for few seconds. Now place the mashed potatoes on tawa. Now sprinkle with some turmeric powder, chili powder, pepper powder, salt, add some oil, finely chopped garlic cloves and ginger, and fry them on medium to low flame. Once one side is fried well, flip over to another side and fry as well. And the mashed potato fry is ready to be served. You can have this as evening snack or side dish with rice. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you all in my next video.